I was in the previous lecture, class, I have explained the topics. That means the charts in Excel. So some charts I have already explained, and that chart was bar chart and column chart. So do you remember? Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait so that I can write the data to you.
Okay, sir.
Suppose there are some marks in the English, math and computer, and these marks are written in front of the subject name. So if I want to make the chart for this, just select this one, and you go to insert, and there are the list of charts. So suppose I want to make the chart column chart. So when I click on column chart, so you will get the 2D column, you will get 3D column list, cylinder. Means there are different layouts of the column charts. So you can take the cylindrical form, you can make the cone form, you can make the pyramid form. So I will just use in a simple. So I will select the 2D column. Okay. So are you able to see here? There are you got a column like 2D column. That means the basically column chart are here, and as I explained to you that uh, the categories are organized horizontally. So you know this Hindi, English, maths and computer, these are the categories. So these are organized horizontally and the values are organized vertically. So the terms chart area, this is complete one is chart area, and the next one is category axis. So this is the category axis. X-axis is called category axis. Value axis, Y-axis is called value axis. Data series are the bar, slices or other elements that show the data values. So I said to you, these are the data series. These pillars are the data series which are responsible to show your data. That can be in the form of slice, that can be form of the bars also. Next one, I explained about the category name. So category names are the labels which are displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. So right now there is, I can write here the description also that this y-axis is having these values, and this is the subject names. So I can write the categories name also. So x and y axis. The next one is plot area. So plot area is a windows. That means in the chart area, that means this one, this selected one. Right now the things which I selected, this is called plot area. Okay. So you can do changes something in the plot areas also, and like its color. Okay. So next one is legend. So legend, it depicts the color pattern or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. So this is called legend. This series one, basically it represents that the color, it shows the color, and the color shows how many data you have. So as I explained in the previous videos, if we have the more than one data, though, so that will be in the different colors, and it will written like series 1, series 2, series 3, and the data's color will be different. So next one is chart title. So chart title is in the above side, and this will describe that to which type you have. That means what is the aim of making this chart. So you know that chart title, you can write the names. Next one is grid lines. So I also explained about the grid lines. These lines, these horizontal line, and also you can make the vertical lines. You can remove this horizontal and verticals. So these lines is called, what it is called? Grid lines. Is it clear to you? You can See here, grid lines, primary horizontal, that means if you do it none, so you just see here, there is no grid lines. So I think these concepts are clear to you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So types of chart, bar chart and column chart I explained, and right now I am going to explain the different charts that are called line chart. Who is making some different? It's not good. If someone is teaching, then you should not write anything. Just wait, let me open the Microsoft Word so that I can write about the line chart. So what are line chart? So line chart can show continue data over time continue data over time. So students, as you know, when you see the cricket on the TV screen, then sometimes the wait. So sometimes you will see that is the score numbers is just represented in the on the lines. So that lines will show you that in in these overs these runs are made. So it can be represented for whole team, or it can be represented by a particular of the particular player. So that the line chart is, it is what I written, line chart can show continue data over time. Okay, that means it shows the data that means it shows the changing data over period of time. That means as the time is changing, your data can be shown changes. So it is quite similar to plotting a graph on the graph paper with its value on the x and y axis. So so students, let me make the line chart on this example. Suppose if I am going to make the line chart, so let me do it. Go to insert, and here a line chart, click on this. You just see here, here is just trending the data. Suppose this is Hindi, English, maths and computer. So you just see here in Hindi. In Hindi, how many numbers he got? 120, 123. So 123 just above to 100. So it goes to here. And then in English, how many numbers he got? 124. So it is just above to 123. Then how many? 4, 5, 6. 456. Just see here, 456. Where is? This should be here. Here. So you just see here, this trending. This is just in front of math. This one. So again, it's computer 700, so it goes to here, and it marks shows the computer mark. So suppose if you have the two students marks, and if you like this, if you want to compare these one, so just show me, just let me let's show you. Suppose I have one more mark, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 200. So if I want to make the line chart, sorry, this is in, this data should not be used. So make the line chart over here. Here. See these two, as I said to you that the series 1, series 2 and these different colors shows you the different data. So first one is Hindi. It got in Hindi 123 marks and 234 marks. So the first one Hindi the second data is started from 2-3. Then it goes to here because 123 and 123 are same. So it goes to on the same point. So these are the data you just see here. This represent the data. Okay, right now you are cleared or not? You people are cleared? This one, this, and if you click on this, then this, and this represent the data. So this is the line chart. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, come to the what is in your book area chart. So basically, students, what are area chart? Area charts can be used to plot